Today I am making a dish that is so dear. Reminds me of my school days where it was served in canteen. The memories are still so warm and clear. A bite of warmth, a crispy treat. We all friends enjoy this savory treat. So let's start baking. We'll take you back to the school days. Take puff pastry sheet. This one is store bought. Roll it thin. Side by side make the filling. Mash potatoes, onion and coriander. Mix, mix, mix. Add salt, turmeric, garam masala and chaat masala. Wrap it in pastry sheets and let it bake. The pastries are ready. So enjoy this treat with tea and relive the old school days with a smile on your face.